Okay, I have some shrinking piping. I don't know what's the proper name of these things. But what these things is gonna help us reduce the breaking of the cable next time. So we're gonna connect the table. We're gonna have the connections tight. This connection part is gonna reside inside. We're gonna try to fit it. So the new cable is right here. With this part is gonna be the new cable. It's actually this way. Okay, but in the future we can avoid breaking the cable from this end, so we're gonna use this one, and we're gonna put it inside. And this is gonna give us a, there you go. Okay, so once we hit it, it's gonna turn really hard and it's gonna compress the cable. That's gonna help us keep the cable safe from breaking. Of course, it might come up to this point. Probably we managed to get it inside a little bit, somewhere like this. Okay, and on top of that, we're gonna use a second one. So by the time we put in the cable, this blue one is gonna be covering this nipple right here. So we have protected the cable all the way here. Next time the cable breaks, it's not gonna break from this part, it's gonna break either from this segment. We can just cut it and fix it again, instead of removing the whole thing again. Okay, so that's the goal. So I'm just gonna keep this sleeve inside, and I'm gonna put the second sleeve inside here. Actually, I might cut this a little bit. And then we're gonna keep this one inside as well, on top of the yellow one. And now we're gonna get the cables together. Where is our connector now? Okay, so this is the way we're gonna work it out. We're gonna wrestle here with the cables, and we're gonna make a tight. You see, I put the solder in before, and that's a good idea to do it ahead of time, but in this case we need to get the cables together, then solder. So I'm gonna try to remove a little bit of that solder. Hopefully I can remove it without a problem, and we'll see how it goes. In order for me to do that, I need some of the magic clean wick. Okay, the clean wick is going to absorb the soldering. We heat it up. You see how the wick is taking the soldering. I'm burning the plastic underneath. It's okay. Piece of shit. Okay, I removed some of it. Oops, it's hot as hell. Now it's stuck to the plastic. Now we gotta clean this. Don't try this at home. That's why I make the mistakes live, so you don't make the same mistakes. Use a metal surface. And where am I gonna get a metal surface? Good point. Clean all the contamination from the plastic. Okay, I think it's better now. Let's clean the garbage a little bit here. And we tie the cable. So we do the red one first. A little hard. There is a little bit of soldering.